Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is the fourth series of the MIA study material and content and lectures upload. So previously we have successfully updated the different video lecture with different lectures, course content and study material to our class, that is BS Islamic Studies second semester. Title was the application of ICT and communication technology. So again, I'm at the home page of my dashboard of MIS system. So just I need to go to this class, that is at course number 2. So here I will be going towards the options tab, and then I will click on the study material. So previously we have uploaded different study material in the form of PDF file. So now I will be updating the video lectures linked with my course. So just I need to simply click on the this green button, that is the plus button. So I click here and this page will be open to me. So I will be selecting the document type as a web URL or link address. So from here I will be pasting the lecture link of my video tutorial at my YouTube channel. So for this purpose, I need to go to my YouTube channel. That is this one. This is my YouTube channel in the name of Dr. Hashim Ali. So just it is browsing to open it. So this is my channel, and here I've got the different video lectures available. For here, for example, I will clicking on the content of my video lecture here. So I create a different playlist. So from this playlist, I will be selecting the playlist of ICT, that is Introduction to Computers. So from introduction, this is my Introduction to Computer playlist. Here I've uploaded the different videos. Click on the video. So these are the different videos available for the students. So students have already subscribed to my channel, so they can view it from my channel as well. But here I will let you know how to upload or update this as a video link in my MIS system. So let's say I want to link this make this link available to my students so that they can directly come to lecture number 1. So just I need to click on that uh, from my video content. This I need to click on lecture number 1 from my playlist of ICT. So I need to just click on it here, and then I will be clicking on this so to view the video. Once this video is open to me, so okay, there will be another film moving. So let's let it first go through so that procedurally we can proceed on. So just I need to skip it here. And this is the video lecture number 1 of ICT. So just I need to go to the taskbar here. This is the taskbar. Just click on here. You need a single click here, press Ctrl and C button, and this link will be copied. If you cannot do that, so just simply right click on it here, and you need to copy it from here. Go to the MIS dashboard, and you have already selected the web URL link. So here in web URL link, you just need to press Ctrl and V, or you simply can right click and make it a right click, and just you need to paste it as a URL link. So I've already copied it. So I need just to copy it once. So I will be copying it once. This is the video link of my lecture number 1. So just for student convenience, I will give it a title, ICT video lecture number 1. So save and proceed. This will be saved as a link. So this is first one. The serial number 1 is course outline. Serial number 2 is ICT lecture number 1. Serial number 3 is ICT lecture number 2. Serial number 4 is ICT video lecture number 1. So this video lecture number 1 and this lecture number 1 of ICT PDF, they are the same. So if student wants to read out the content in the form of PDF, so he or she can read it in the form of PDF. And if he or she wants to view the video lecture recorded by you, so you can just simply give the link here. In the same way, we have already uploaded course outline, lectures, and video lectures. You can also upload book or relevant study material to this ICT, this course. So upload file, just you need to click on here and select material you want to, extra material you want to add. So just you should be giving a meaningful title. Like for example, I want to add this book. So I will just select this book and I will say ICT book. Just give it a title ICT book and save and proceed. So in this way you can add extra materials also to your study material portion of the MIS system. Thank you very much.